All right, people, we are here. It is July 18th. We're at the beautiful Wynn, as you can see. Absolutely lovely. We were worried that Mo Mummy was gone forever from the Wynn because last time we were here, about a week ago, all these machines were shut off. They didn't have any information. The technicians were just turning them off and moving them. Now this one's on this side, which it never was before. So interesting, but we are back to win at the Wynn. We have $75 of free play. Let's prove that we can win with free play. You guys ready? We put in a little bit of our own money, and we have, like I said, $75 of free play. That cash collect looks ready too. Very little in terms of gems or line hits. Okay, well, do it. Come on, we'd love to see a haywire. We have about $65 left. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Renee, there's the mummy. He's being a bad boy. He's making a sandcastle of money with all of our money. Look at that grand. It's pretty big too, so it's usually around like 8,000. I mean, I think this pops pretty frequently for the grand. That Dragon Link machine looked enticing too. I wanted to go play it a little bit. It's a high limit one, but you know, once in a while. Come on. The mummy was right up there. That would have been a good place to start. That was our first line hit that got us over our $20 we put in ourselves. We put in $20. Now, after all those spins, we're finally up $150. It's very interesting. Oh, Mr. Mummy. Okay, so we have about $55 left, please. We haven't triggered one naturally like that for a long time. That was our second line hit. We're up $2 so far. Maybe it's a sign. Try some at let's try some at 5 cents, you know? Mr. Mummy, what do you say? All right, that's a very cool hat. Now come right here, cash collect. Okay, there's a chance. Oh my gosh, I would like to have spoke it into existence, but come on, Mummy. Haywire. It's crazy, like how, so we've done about $30 in spins so far with our free play, and we're only up $3. There's something to be said about, you know, this game and the payouts. It's all about the bonuses. It's all about the cash collect. You can win big on the jackpot feature, of course. We did get ridiculous return on our free spins once. It was ridiculous, as I was saying. We got, what did we get? We got 60 free spins. It was on a live stream too. Can you believe that? Mr. Mummy, please. We've all had enough. We haven't enough of your toying and playing around. Just come down here. Give us that major. Okay, there you are to start. Now, come on, Mr. Mummy. This one. There it is. There it isn't. I thought, okay, yeah, well, I put it here, remember last time? And in poker, we call it flop lag, where it hits, like you have pocket eights. If you have pocket eights and the flop is like ace, king, queen, and then the next hand it's like 8-8-7. That is flop lag in poker. That was slot lag in slots. Oh yeah. Well, I didn't realize we're on 75. I thought we were betting 225. But, you know, maybe he wants to give a small bonus first. Let's stay here. Because been giving us some good line hits here, finally. Let's see what happens. Boom. Maybe he wants to start with a tiny little bonus, and then... Because we're getting way more gems and stuff now. What do you guys think? Oh, keep going. Oh. Okay. Pop it. Let's up it a little bit. Wow. Okay, wow. Bam. That was quite rude, Mr. Mummy. So only had one cash collect chance this whole time. That's kind of, okay, well that's a good one to start with. Do it. Yes. Come on, mommy. This is where the most, we've been seeing in terms of line hits. We're trying to win at the Wynn today, okay? It's almost, you know, the dog days of summer. Help us, little mummy. Stop that up there and come down here. I think there's a reason why sometimes these are all the way filled up. And they're just like beaming, do it. Can someone explain to me why? Why do I cry? 225. 150. Yeah, where were you last time, buddy? Man. We've had free spins where we spun like 40 free spins. Okay. And we got like, do it. And we had like 10 cash collects in it. And there was none that actually landed the green gem. So we're getting close to the end of our free play. Oh god, do it, yes. Do it now, 225 bet, come on. Oh my goodness, people, why? Alright, we're officially done with free play now. Okay, we're done with free play. Essentially with, so $75 of free play, we won $15.85, you know? That is, oh my gosh, please green. Oh my god, guys, I said it, green. No, green. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, after $75 of free play, you know, nothing. So that was a 225 bet. Oh, look how shiny they all are up there. Mr. Mummy. Okay. Match 3. So if we were on live stream, if we were on a live stream with you guys right now on YouTube, I would ask for your tips. So let's start with the 4 corners first. Maxi, that's good. Mini, that's not good. Major, that's excellent. Grand, yes. Okay. So now I think we should go now one more in, right? Okay, one of each. Where do we go next? Okay, this. Minor. We went here. Yeah, please. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, we're one away from the grand. We're, you know, just as far as this one as we are this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, no. Okay, now I think the next logical thing to do is go from here. Right? I have no words. No words. You know, we got a haywire right as soon as we used all of our free play. We used $75 of free play. Got a haywire on the bigger bet, 225 on pennies. And he's swan diving and all of the other money. Okay, let's get it exact back to back. Can you do that, Mr. Mummy? Oh man, when you get that haywire, it's so exciting on this game because you just know there's a chance for something, and then, you know, chance for the mini, of course. 2 more. Pop it. Nope. Okay, so let's see if we can work this free play up into something like real good, because we started with 20, so essentially we're up double with $75 of free play. Okay, which one was that? So I'd like to switch denoms, but this 1 cent denom has been, you know, showing a lot of promise. We did finally get our first bonus on it too, even though it was, you know, the very coveted mini for $10. Okay. What, that wasn't a line hit? Okay. Let's see another haywire, Mr. Mummy. Haywire? You know, that cash collect looks prime. Oh, I know you can't get triple pops in this game, but you can get 3 pops, as some of our friends said in the channel, and it doesn't count as a triple pop, but each bonus goes right after the other one, so that would be okay. Damn. Oh, it's right up there. Let's do some of 75 because we saw some, you know, some action down here. Maybe it wants to give a tiny cash collect, which still can be, you know, pretty good. And then we can go bigger. We don't want to just go all willy-nilly. We're just trying to win at the win, you know. Technically, we did win. We won at this point $10, so. Someone to the right just got a super mansion feature. That's pretty good. Maybe we should have went to that machine, Mr. Mummy. Do you hear that? We came to see you instead of that, you know, Mummy machine, or not Mummy machine, that Huff and Puff machine where someone's got a super mansion. You know, what are we doing here, Mr. Mummy? Oh yeah, do that. That would make it feel a lot better. Oh, Mr. Mummy. Oh, Mr. Mummy. 2 more. So, okay, so we're trying to win at the win. So if we're trying to actually win, let's do something else. Let's go to 5-cent denom, where the mini isn't that bad, you know. Minor is good. Let's do 250 bets, so we have about 10 bets. Can we get a bonus with this, you know? Mr. Mummy, where are you going? Come right back. Okay. Do it. Mr. Mummy's going off the screen to come back right here. See? There he is. There he isn't. Oh god, here he is. Please. Do it, Mummy. Oh my gosh, do it. Oh my... I am furious. You know, how could you be furious? But you know, we're not mad, we're just disappointed, right, Mummy? Right. I mean, he doesn't care. He's been up there a few times. Ace, ace, ace. He was right up there again, Mr. Mummy. 2 more. We'll take free games at this point. Pop naturally. Guys, we're trying to do some tech. Oh, finally, baby. 1 more. Bam. Okay. We're trying to actually win at the win. And let's do it. Let's do it. We're in for like $20 of our own money. $75 of hard-earned win free play. Wow, what did I say, way? But here we are. Okay, our favorite. 5-cent, 250 bet. Let's get it, guys. Come on. Green. What? Alright, that was just a joke. Okay, wow, that was a good one. Hello, more green? Oh. Well, that's a good one. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Keep it up. Green. Aha. 2 for 2. That can very, very easily happen. Yes. More green? Okay. Alright. Recently, we haven't been getting past the first page. It's been kind of, you know. Recently, we haven't been getting past the first page, so it's very nice to get past the first page. Let's go. Green. What? Oh, okay. I love those out of nowhere greens, you know? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Mr. Mummy, gold. None of those. Okay. Well, 1 for 2 now. Guys, let's get it. Well, at least we got past the first page. It's just after all those misses, you know, it's nice to finally hit something. We tried hard, you know. We tried hard. Oh my goodness. This person has a full... I'll tell you what it is. I don't want to, you know. They're on 1 cent. I think they got, I don't know, a lot of minis. Okay, well, whoa, 117 bucks. Yeah. Pretty good. We like that. Okay. Hey, Mr. Mummy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. So we have 126. I think we'll play this until 120. And then we will count it as a $100 win. Immediate back-to-back. Oh, Wild Wild West. Come on. It's so hard to get back-to-backs on this game. I would love to, you know. Is it possible? Oh, he was right. Do it. Well, okay, so we have 2 more at our lucky. This is the one that we got 60 free spins on when we were doing the live stream, which I think we're gonna go live later today. So stay tuned for that, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification so you know when we're going live. Wifey and I like to have fun in the live streams with you all. Let's do the 152 cent denom, which we got ridiculously lucky in. 60 free spins. Okay. Line hit? Okay. Well, we have one more, I think. Oh, okay, well, we have one more at 75. Just out of principle. We want to have a $100 even win. Okay, there we go. Maybe more. Okay. Well, we'll take that. So we had $75 of free play, $20 of our own money. Turned it into this, you know, not bad at all. We appreciate that. So we're going to take this, we're going to run, and we're going to get ready for our live stream. But yeah, it's good to see that the Mr. Mummy is back at the Wynn. He wasn't here last week and we were worried, but now we can continue winning at the Wynn, or, you know, the opposite of winning at the Wynn, because we know it's sometimes hard to win here, but it's so beautiful. How can you resist playing here? Las Vegas Strip, July 18th. Thank you for watching, friends. We will be back shortly, and thank you, Mr. Mummy. He's tired. Both those have popped. We don't want free games anyway. We'll be back for some more fun soon. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. See you soon.